Welcome back. My name is Athena from DreamForgeAcademy, and I will guide you through this lesson. This is the capstone. Everything you have built since Lesson 1 converges here. You will finish the 3 remaining shell screens, pass a full production build, install the app on your phone as a PWA, and run the complete intake to sign quote journey on a real device. The lesson ends with a working app on your home screen and an honest list of what is still stubbed, because knowing your scope boundaries is as important as shipping. The build gate and the phone test serve different purposes. PNPM build catches type errors, missing imports, and serialization problems that TypeCheck and lint miss, particularly when a date or class instance is passed as a prop to a client component. Only after the build passes clean should you install the PWA and test on the phone. The phone reveals a different class of problems: font sizes, tap targets, scroll areas, and the real behavior of the web speech API on iOS. Both tests are required. Build in order. First, create the 3 shell screens with the bounded prompt, job list with status badge and quote total, customers list, and the settings form with a patch route. Second, run PNPM build and fix every error before moving on. Do not start the phone test until the build is clean. Third, start the dev server with hostname 0000 and open the local IP on your phone. Install the PWA from the browser. Fourth, run the full flow on the phone. Login, new job, photos, voice, generate, review, send, sign, done. Write down what felt wrong. The bounded prompt covers the 3 screens and the build check, but it also includes an explicit list of what not to build. No credits, no Stripe, no Twilio, no Ingest, no PayPal. The lesson closes with a stubbed features inventory: credits, customer payments, SMS, background jobs, Whisper, referrals, and production deploy that you should read aloud when you demo the app. Knowing your stubs is not a weakness. It is evidence that you understood your scope. Verification has 2 stages. On desktop, load every screen in order, confirm no console errors, check that settings save and the job list reflects the change. On phone, install the PWA, launch from the home screen icon, and complete the full intake flow with synthetic data. If the phone cannot reach the dev server, run ipconfig to find your machine's IP and start the server with the hostname flag. If the install prompt does not appear on Android, open Chrome DevTools on desktop and check the Application tab for manifest errors. The done screen on your phone is the capstone evidence. Thank you for watching. Keep using the course material as you put these lessons into practice. I look forward to guiding you through another DreamForgeAcademy course.